Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody is trying to do this, and I finally figured out what they were doing wrong, so I thought I'd make a video to show them. I'm going to see how this looks with black. Kind of makes it pop out. They want a double bevel, and they're trying to bevel this line, and they can't get it to bevel, and I know why. We're actually going to do the same letters. I'm going to do S and T, T and S. I'm going to go ahead and convert them to a curve. And then I'm going to go, I could have broken it apart, and then I'm going to break the curve apart. So we just have single letters. I'm going to grab them both, and I'm going to left click, right click. And then I'm going to make the S quite a bit smaller. And then I'm going to hit P and put that in center page, and hit P, put that in center page. That way it's in the center of the T. Now I can move it down. My nudge factor is set on 2 inches. I want to leave it there. But if I start moving it and then hold down the control button, I get that right there, maybe a little bit further. And then I can take both this and weld it. Okay. Now what I want to do is make a duplicate of it. So I hit the plus key and moved it over. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to use those same colors. I'm going to do that, fill it with that blue. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to go to effects and bevel. And I'm just going to set it on whatever it's set on and get that right there. Now I don't use the bevel enough. I don't know what's going on right there. Maybe that's the dividing line between the two lines, but that's what it is. Now we're going to move this back and see we have an outline. And now we can make it something thicker. That's probably too thick. And we're going to make it that, I think that same gold. Now, it won't bevel. And why it won't bevel is because it's a line and not an object. It's a curve. So we're going to go to object and convert the outline to an object. And look at that. As soon as I do that, it hits apply and I can bevel it. I really don't play with bevel enough because it actually changed the color from that orange to this gold. And it has something to do with the light and shadows and density. And I just don't play around with it enough. See that, and then go back to density and hit apply. And that's more like the normal color or the first color. So you can't bevel an outline, but you can bevel an object. I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching. That's pretty cool.